What's up, guys? How you doing? Thanks for jumping in the Kukulux. It's always nice to have a thirsty person as you joining us, and let's get into it. So, a lot of you guys are going on TikTok, and you realize that you can only search for accounts, and that's pretty annoying. So, if you type Kanye West, and I guess Kanye West should pop up or not. So, you could only find accounts. But what if, in case you wanted to search for something specific? I mean, what do you do? It's very strange that I didn't get Kanye West when I typed that. Maybe he's not on it. Okay. But anyways, to do that, what you need to do is get to the search bar, and you need to where it says TikTok.com. You need to remove everything else, and if you remove everything else, you would realize that you're just left with TikTok.com. And all you need to do is type in slash tag, just tag, and then the next slash like this. And anything you want to search for, you can put it there. Let's say you want to search, I don't know, vet stuff. You're just gonna do this, and you're gonna find vet stuff. I don't want everybody to watch this guy doing some weird things to that horse's foot, but maybe you want to do that. Let's say you wanted to look for something like household items. Make sure everything is stick together. I can't even spell household items. Make sure everything is stick together. All the words, no separation. Household items, and refresh, something went wrong. Household items. So you will see household items. Oh, yeah. Oh. So yeah, you'll see a bunch of household items, and you'll see the amount. So basically, with that, you're just searching hashtags, because there are so much million hashtags, and one video sometimes has 10. See this? Some videos actually have more than 10 hashtags, so you would most likely get whatever you want. So yeah, if you wanted to type anything and search it up, you will get it. If you want a movie, Avengers, you will get Avengers. I mean, come on. You can search anything you want. Just make sure everything is stick together, and you will get everything that you want related to that on TikTok. So anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I mean, this is an awesome video, right? So if you're on a PC, I mean, that's how you should do it. That's how I do it. If you look at my recent stuff, you see that I've been looking for burping girl, belch, bread. I mean, I make some weird videos. You want to check it out, I'll leave the link in the description. Some of you guys are fascinated by burping videos, compilations, and stuff like that. So check out my link in the description. The website's name, the YouTube channel's name is Padomar. If you are not subscribed to that already, check it out.